Hey Jet fans, come on in. Let's huddle up. Let's talk a little football. I don't like bye weeks. First of all, when the New York Jets have a bye and the Alabama Crimson Tide does at the same time, it's kind of a down week for me. But it's given me some time to reflect on our teams, especially the Jets, and look at the New York Life Protection Index as well. You know, I've talked a lot about the importance of the offensive line. Well, I'm going to tell you something right now. I never, ever played in the offensive line or on the offensive line. I did play nose tackle when I was 12 years old and a little younger when the lower end of town, that's where I'm from, went up to play the projects. But that was on defensive line. I have played behind a lot of offensive lines in my career and in my dreams. I promise you, I was never tough enough or big enough to be able to play in that line. Those guys have the toughest job on the field, I believe, when it comes to the physical part of the game. They have to not only take measure on defensive linemen to get an angle to block them, they also have to change assignments and pick up linebackers, etc. When we look at the New York Life Protection Index, it gives us the passing game and their numbers. Well, we're ranked 23rd in the league right now. We moved up a little bit. The Buffalo Bills, our next opponent, is ranked 3rd in the league. They've been doing a good job. The top 12 teams in the league are all winners or 500 records. So this index is important. I want to keep an eye on it. But I'm going to tell you something. It's still the team game. It still matters whether our quarterback throws an accurate pass or overthrows a guy. It still matters whether Keller drops a pass or Burris drops a pass, or whether LT hits the correct hole or Sean Green hits the correct hole. Folks, it's a team game. It's predicated on how both sides of the ball plays, our defense as well as our offense. So when we check out that New York Life Protection Index, keep that in mind. These are numbers that deal with the offensive line's performance when it comes to number of penalties, what kind of penalties, when the quarterback is hurried or knocked down, or when he's sacked. But I promise you, it's the whole team that comes into play when we see these kind of statistics. Okay, I can't wait for next week, you know. Next week. I'm looking forward to it. I'll be back at you then on our drive or for our drive to the playoffs. You hear that? Okay. Ready? Break!